Mwaisenipo mukwai bonse ku Bantu Bitcoin. Kuno ukusambilisha na sambilila Twalalanda pafya Bitcoin. Shina liande nine Harrison. Ende mwina America lelo enjiwikala kuno mumushi mu Zambia ukufuma 2018. Ende sambilila icibemba. Enjeleniko lelo enshishibe icibemba bueno sana. Ende sambilila. Chilibushiku panono. Twalalanda pafya Bitcoin ukwafilisha abantu ukusambilila mundimi isha pusana. Echo ichi ni RSS feed ya icibemba. Engamulifwayo kumfwa na ukulanda pafya Bitcoin na ifwe Mwaisenipo, Twatotela ati Mwaisa kumfwa. Nomba tulekwete RSS feed ichi ya icibemba na imbi ya ichisungu. Echo inga mulanda indimi isha pusana na inga mulifwayo ukwafilisha ifwe na ichi podcast Bantu Bitcoin mufwile ukulemba kwine ku @Bantu Bitcoin mu Twitter. Twatotela na Mwaiseni. Echo Bitcoin. Mulandunshi Bitcoin. Echo Bitcoin ni Indilama. Mupepi MTN Momo nangu ku Airtel. Bitcoin ni Indilama ku Internet. Lelo na mutengo panshi ukuchila MTN Momo. Na Bitcoin ni ukuchila bwangu ukupela Indilama umuntu ku umuntu. Kuifyalo pusana kwati Zambia abantu 2 billion ati tapa bonfya banks. Banks ya kwata umutengo akosa na chashupa kubonfya ukwanguka. Bitcoin ni Indilama ku abantu. Bonse kuti kubonfya Bitcoin. Nomba abantu abengi bale tontonkanya ati impaka imyaka ikumi. Abantu abengi nangu limbi abantu bonse bakala bonfya Bitcoin ukushita ifintu na ukupela Indilama umuntu ku umuntu na phone fie. Wow. Tukamona. Echo Bitcoin ni Indilama ku internet. Chishinka Balanda Andreas Antonopoulos bakafundisha bwa Bitcoin. Andreas Balanda ati ni Chishinka lelo kuntanshi. Bitcoin te ni fie Indilama ku internet. Lelo ni. Awe, Bitcoin ni internet ya Indilama. Bitcoin ni internet ya Indilama. Tufwile ukutontonkanya pafya internet. Na fionse ati umuntu kuti ukuchita na ukusambilila ku internet na phone fie. Na nombalini abantu bonse bakala kwata internet ya 4G nangu 5G na smartphone. Tulewishika ati intambi shabana Zambia na intambi shabana America ni isha pusana. Abantu tule bamo bine lelo ku ifyalo fionse limolimo ifintu ni isha pusana. Echo limolimo abantu ku USA balanda Amapinda ati inshita ni Indilama. Finchi mule tontonkanya pafya Amapinda ichi. Inshita ni Indilama. Chishinka? Na echo inga Bitcoin ni Indilama, na inshita ni Indilama, bushema tontonkanya ati Bitcoin ni inshita. Umuntu pamoinga der Gigi balilemba bueno sana ati Bitcoin ni inshita. Mule kuti belenga ku bitcoinmagazine.com nangu umfweni ku gaiswan mu Bitcoin Audible podcast pafyeji. Lelo, nomba, Twatotela bonse, na tulifwaya ukulanda Twatotela ku Anita Pash na Bitcoin for Fairness, na BFF ku Lusaka, Bali Fwalisha ifwe na ichi podcast Bantu Bitcoin. Twatotela ku Twitter @Bantu Bitcoin. Welcome everyone to Bantu Bitcoin. Here we will teach and learn, we will talk about Bitcoin. My name is Harrison. I am from the United States, but I have lived here in a village of rural Zambia since 2018. I am learning the Bemba language, so I apologize. I don't know it very well, but I'm learning every day, little by little. We're talking about Bitcoin to help people learn about it in different languages. So this is the Bemba RSS feed, and if you want to listen and talk about Bitcoin with us, we welcome you. Thank you for coming here to listen. Now, we have this Bemba RSS feed and another one in English. So if you speak a different language and if you want to help us out with this podcast, Bantu Bitcoin, you should write to us on Twitter at Bantu Bitcoin. Thank you and welcome. So Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is money. Similar to MTN mobile money or that from Airtel, Bitcoin is money on the internet, but with lower fees than mobile money. Bitcoin is a better and faster way to send money directly, person to person. Throughout many countries like Zambia, about 2 billion people don't use banks. Banks have high fees and are difficult to access easily. Bitcoin is money of the people. Everyone can use Bitcoin. Now, many people are thinking that within 10 years, most people, or maybe everyone, will use Bitcoin to buy things and send money directly person to person with just a phone. Wow. Well, we shall see. So Bitcoin is money. Money on the internet. That's true, says Andreas Antonopoulos, OG Bitcoin educator. Andreas agrees, but he goes further. Bitcoin is not just money on the internet, though it is. No, Bitcoin is the internet of money. Bitcoin is the internet of money. We should think about the internet and all that a person can do and learn on the internet with just a phone. And soon, everyone will have 4G or 5G internet access and a smartphone. We know that Zambian culture and American culture are sometimes different. People, though, we are largely the same. But throughout different cultures in countries, sometimes things are different. So sometimes people in the United States say the maxim, time is money. What do you think about that? Time is money. Is that true? Well, so if Bitcoin is money and time is money, do you think that Bitcoin could be time? People like Gigi have written good articles on how Bitcoin is like time. You can read about that over at bitcoinmagazine.com or listen to Guy Swan tell it on the Bitcoin Audible podcast. Well, that's it for now. Thank you, everyone. We want to say thank you also to Anita Posh and Bitcoin for Fairness and BFF in Lusaka for helping us with this podcast, Bantu Bitcoin. We're on Twitter. Thank you and have a good day.